Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to provide a detailed guide to help you fulfill your study abroad dreams. Whether you're applying for undergrads or master programs, I will walk you through the application process for top study abroad destinations like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. And at the end, I have a special bonus that will make your entrance exam preparation easier. So let's get started with today's video. So the first part of the video, that is, we are going to talk about United States. First, let's talk about the application process for universities in US. It can be a bit involved, so here's what you need to know. So for research, I'm going to share the timeline for the whole process. Research, shortlisting, application, SOPs, etc. Grab a pen and paper and make a note of everything, the timeline that I'm going to talk about. This timeline is suitable for all the students applying in 2025. Okay, so the first thing is the research and shortlisting. Research, that is, the timeline is from January to March 2025. Research universities and programs, and create a list of your top choices. The second is from February to April 2025. You have to appear for standardized tests, that is your SAT or ACT exam. Consider taking SAT subjects test if required, okay? And for document preparation, you can allocate the time from March to April 2025. Gather high school transcripts, letter of recommendation, personal statements, essays, and English proficiency proof, that is IELTS and TOEFL exam. And your actual applications will be done in the month of May to July 2025. Complete and submit application through common application or university-specific portals. Now, when I talk about the interviews and follow-up, that happens somewhere around August to September 2025. Attend interviews if required, check your application status, and provide any additional information if needed. And the next is decision and acceptance. For this will be somewhere in October to November 2025. Receive admission decisions, make your choices, and submit your acceptance. Now, very important thing over here is you have to understand that whatever I'm talking about in this video is for the intakes. It depends upon the intakes, but this is for the intake October, November. So this video is planned accordingly. Also, you can reach out to us for personalized help in getting into these universities. I have linked it in the description. You can go on the portal, you can fill in the application, and you can straight away get to know complete university that you can get into, everything to that bottom. So I will be sharing a link in the description for that. Check out for the information about it in the description, okay? Now, this process is similar to master's program, but you also need standardized tests like GRE or GMAT for masters, and prepare your documents and applications in advance. Okay, now moving on to the next country, that is United Kingdom. And let's understand the research and shortlisting. Again, Jan to March 2025. Research universities and courses create your shortlist. For again, we are listed all the information where we can help you over in the description. Now, from March to April 2025, you have to finish your UCAS registration and prepare your application. From March to May 2025, you can gather your transcripts, letter of recommendation, personal statements, English proficiency proof. Application submissions is from the duration May to June 2025. Submit your application before the deadline. Usually the deadline is June 30. Interviews and offers from July to September 2025. Attend interviews if required. Respond to offers and form of your choices, and confirm your choices. And the next is decision and acceptance, again October to November 2025. Confirm your place and complete any additional requirements. For master's program, research and apply through university portals. Prepare your documents and be ready for interviews. Now moving on to the next country, that is Canada. Okay, now if we talk about Canada, researching and shortlisting, again Jan to March 2025. Identifying your universities and programs. Then when you have to appear for standardized test, it is in the timeline of Feb to April 2025. Take SAT and ACT if required. Document preparation March to May 2025. Your transcripts, letter of recommendation, personal statement, English proficiency proof, that is IELTS and TOEFL. And application can be targeted from May to July 2025. Apply through university portals or Ontario University Application Center, linked in the description. Interviews and follow-up from August to September 2025. And decision and acceptance, again November to October to November 2025. More or less, the application process remains the same for most of the countries. I will be listing everything in the description, and I'll also try to keep on checking the description because I constantly update for each of my videos. So I'm going to list all the universities with the timelines as well in the description. The application process for the countries like Australia and Germany remains the same, and as I talked about the bonus for exam preparation, what I have done is I have listed down all the official websites in a document, and I have linked the document in the description, which can help you to prepare for all the entrance exams. And if you want to get a personalized help, check out for the help section detail in the description. I hope this video was helpful and you got a brief idea about the timeline for preparation and application. And most important part over here is you have to remember that if you are applying for scholarships, you should be always an early bird, because you need some time to get through the scholarship process, and it is important to be an early bird and make sure you're applying things on time. And that's it for today's guide. I hope this video helped you understand the application process, prepare for your entrances, and if you found this video helpful and if you feel any of your friend, your relative, your cousin need this video, do not forget to share it with them. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a feedback in the comment if you feel I need to work on certain areas and I need to improve. And if you didn't like it, I definitely want to improve in my next video. So in that case, subscribing will be definitely worth it for you. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Tradition.